Hi students, today we will start Unit 2. We will learn the following topic: prototyping IoT objects using microprocessor or microcontroller. Topic number is 2.0. I want to start with very good analogy. Building an IoT prototype is just like preparing a chicken curry. Before serving it to the customers, what we will do, we will test it, we will taste it, and if there is a mistake, we will correct it, and then only we will produce in large scale as final version. So our topic here is prototyping IoT objects using microprocessors or microcontrollers. One by one, we will see what is prototyping, what is IoT prototyping, that we will learn now. IoT prototyping means creating a small working model of an IoT system before developing the final product, like chicken curry. Example, building a smart temperature monitoring system on a breadboard or a very ordinary printed circuit board. That is example. What is the purpose of prototype? IoT prototype. Prototype will help us test the idea, to identify the errors, and to reduce cost, and then only we can improve the design. That is the purpose of prototype. Example is testing an automatic street light before installing it on the roads. Okay. Next, what is microprocessor? Microprocessor is mainly a processing unit and usually needs external memory, input, and output components also. What examples, sir? Microprocessor example చెప్పండి. Raspberry Pi is used for a smart surveillance system. It became famous in the world. Sir, what is a microcontroller? That also explain. A microcontroller contains central processing unit CPU, memory, and input and output ports on a single chip. That you should remember. What is the example, sir, for microcontroller? Famous microcontroller, Arduino or ESP32. They are controlling sensors and actuators. That you should remember. Technical reasons you should remember. Sir, what is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller? We want to learn it. Microprocessors are suitable for complex applications and general purpose it is used, while microcontrollers are very low cost, compact in size, and power efficient also. But specific application only microcontrollers are used, that you should remember. Example చెప్పండి. Raspberry Pi for image processing used. Arduino processor for switching a fan on or off. Like that you can be used. Next, in part 2, we will discuss how to build a IoT prototype. That means here how to connect the sensors. Connecting sensors can be explained like this. Sensors are connected to the controller to collect physical information such as temperature, light, moving things, information, and humidity. Sir, what example can you give, sir, here? What sensor? DHT11 sensor is used for measuring temperature and also humidity purpose. Next, seventh point. How to connect actuators? Connecting actuators. Actuators receive commands from the controller and perform physical actions. What is the example, sir? A relay switches on a water pump whenever soil becomes dry. That is needed. Am I correct? Next, eighth point, programming the controller. Software engineer write a program and will upload to the board to read sensors information and control outputs. For that purpose, programming is necessary. Example, Arduino code turns on an LED whenever motion is detected. Moving thing object motion is detected. What is adding communication things can be explained, sir. Explained, sir. Adding communication here, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, or cellular modules connect to the prototype to a mobile phone or a cloud. Okay, what is example, sir? ESP32 sends temperature readings to the ThingSpeak through Wi-Fi device. At the finally, my dear students, I want to analyze like this with analogy about this. Building an IoT prototype is just like a preparing chicken curry before serving it to the customers. We will test, we will correct, then we will produce in large scale. Yes, then only it will come out from the kitchen room to the customers. So in the similar manner, workflow will be like this. From sensor information will go to the microcontroller or to the microprocessor, then only it will be processed, then it will go to the cloud. From cloud, it will go to the actuator to take actions. Okay, bye students.